So we're back today, Restoration for Kids, big day today. We're going to be pulling out the engine and the transmission out of the F250. Probably going to get rid of the front bar as well, and we might also pull out the seats. We'll see how the day goes and how much time we have. Everybody's pretty much volunteering. It's a day off today from the workshop, so everybody's just come in on their day off. We've got Lauren here today from Fleet. She's helping us assemble the barbecue because we're going to have to just make sure that everybody gets something to eat. The boys there are just assembling the engine stand, so that's going to be where the engine's going to live, and we'll be able to store it away from there so it's not in the way.
Where'd you get this from?
Repco. So if anyone from Repco is listening, we might need some more stuff from you. The scary thing is, Lauren's probably got more idea what she's doing than you have. At least it's nice and clean under here now.
Yeah, we had it detailed. Aqua detailed it for us. Try and give you a bit of a clean area to work from.
Apart from all the oil and coolant and everything else that's leaking out underneath it?
Yes, apart from that. So what's leaking? The radiator, not the condenser.
Yeah, the radiator.
So we need a new radiator. We're putting it back together like months from now. So Gary seems to think that we don't need anything, that you guys will remember everything. I'm okay to go with that theory, but
that's not exactly the words I had.
That was almost exactly the words that he used. But yeah, I'm quite happy to just be near you, and if you want me to just snap a picture of something or whatever, I'll keep a photo catalogue, and then any parts that you reckon we're going to need as we go, and just shout them out and I'll put them on the list.
Got some volunteers today, which is really good, getting on board for a good cause, so good on the boys from Stillwell. Everything's pretty much coming out. Going to keep it as a roller. So fuel systems has got LPG in it, so we are taking LPG out and we won't be putting it back in. So fuel systems out, both LPG and petrol, all the way back, diff staying in, tail shaft trans, engine, bull bar will be coming off as well because we'll be getting a nice new chrome bar to go across the front to match the back. When we went to pick it up, he said he'd just spent money on the trans before he took the car off the road.
Okay.
How clean that trans oil is.
Yeah, it looks really clean, right?
Yeah, and obviously clean transmission oil, it's not burnt or tarnished, so there's a fair chance that it's that trans has had some work done and we might get away with not having to fully rebuild it or anything like that, which is good.
I'm bagging and tagging all the little bolts and stuff because we're only going to put the car back together months from now. We need to know where everything goes. So we're just keeping track of everything and in these bags so we can know where to put it back. Alex, what did you call this again? Selector cable parts. Okay.
Obviously awfully clean trans oil. So, and no clutch pack material in the pan. Cork gasket is brand new. Master cylinder, brake booster.
Hang on.
Caliper rebuild kits.
Brake booster. Hang on, slow down, Tiger.
So if we can't get complete already overhauled calipers or just caliper seal kits, it just means more work.
Who do you think could supply us with this?
I don't know, but we need some people to start putting their hands up. So everyone who's watching who knows someone in the motor industry game, Hopefully Repco and Sprints, we spend enough money with them every year.
Unfortunately, this exhaust is not going to be able to be salvaged. We were hoping it would be, but having gone through it now, it's just got too much rust in it. Really disappointing because the list is getting long. We're going to need a lot of help with this.
Yes, yes, yes. Done. And one more. Hey. And after all that work, when we took it out, it just came into two pieces anyway. So if we'd just looked a little bit further down the exhaust and seen the second join, would have been a different story, but hey, that's half the fun.
It's all been overhauled in there. Look at that, that's all brand new. Brand new oil, that's pretty good. That means whoever gets the car is getting a brand new trans inside.
Yeah, absolutely.
The whole thing's been redone. We wrapped up today, we got the transmission out. Over there we got the exhaust, we got the drive shaft out, and we've got the entire redundant gas system out today. So overall it's been a fantastic day, volunteer day. Big thank you to my team for giving up their personal time to come in here today and get all of this done on their own time. Please follow the story, click here to subscribe. If you want to buy tickets, there'll be a link in the subscription below.